Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to delete your account on the TripAdvisor application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And now you should tap on the profile icon that you can see in the upper right corner of the screen. Then you should scroll down till you find this close account section and click on it. Then you should type in your username and press the button close account. As you can see, once it is closed, you will not be able to log in or have access to your content. So click on the close account button down below. And as you can see, you have been logged out from your account, so you can sign in with a new one if you want to. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing and see you in the next video. Bye bye.